Alright, so I'm going to try taking out the windshield today. Replace it with a new rubber gasket. So I've already pulled out this plastic channel of stuff all the way around, really easy. Just use pliers, pulled it out, not a big deal. And now I'm just going to take this razor blade and just run it in just like this, pushing it against the window. And you can see how it just breaks the seal back here all the way up. Really simple. There we go. See, I just run it along there. And then, see how it just comes off now? Super simple. Just run the razor blade like this down in the channel. And then it just comes straight off. I know it's going to be a nightmare to get it back in, but getting it out is going to be pretty easy. Okay, now the question is, how easy will this be to get off of here without breaking it? You know, I may have to do that same cutting thing on the inside. Huh, or maybe not. Well, isn't that easy? Huh. Alright, well, let me bring you over so you can see what it looks like now. Okay, there's the channel. I was worried about this spot, but really, the metal is there. It's just a bad seal. Looks like up here I'm going to have to clean it and re-glue the headliner. But honestly, that's not that bad. Luckily I have the dash out of here, so that makes it all the easier to do too. Alright, well, let's get it cleaned up. I'm just going to use some simple green and scrub and scrub. Alright, good before shot, and how about the after shot? and after. Well, so there we go, all cleaned, scrubbed, painted, and that will make for a good, very good backing for the new seal and keep us from leaking. Welcome back. We have our seal for the windshield. Starting at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the seam is in the center, just because I know maybe at some point that'll bug me from OCD, who knows. Alright, now I got the seal on. So I've got some nylon cord here, just paracord. Color doesn't matter. And I'm starting a few inches away from the center here. The center bottom. So I can use that seam as my mark. So I just leave about a foot dangling out. And then I follow it all the way around. And then I overlap about another foot of overlap and then leave a foot dangling off. Let me pull it close up here so you can kind of see. So the windshield fits in that first. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. That first one. And then the nylon ripcord will go in this second one, like that. Helps to have the cords on the inside. top here. Make sure you spray the inside. Lots of soap and water along the top too. On the outside, soapy water. All right, now it's just time to clean the window. Okay, new glass is in. Time to clean it off since it's now all covered with soapy water. A couple things I wanted to point out. This is the American seal. It's not the California seal. The California seal has a channel running through here with a piece of chrome plastic. Lasts about 5 years in the sun and then turns into kind of a clear plastic mess. So I guess it could be nice if you just wanted to perk your bus up and just sell it real quick, but practically, or for practicality rather, this is better. I have heard it's a little harder to install this version as opposed to the California one, but you could tell because you followed me along. It took about 20 minutes and we were done. Yep, so this is an original window. I didn't get a new one. I know there is a risk when installing an old window onto a new gasket. You know what, this will be fine. There should be